Hi and welcome back to my channel. For those who are watching my video for the first time, my name is Swati Bise, founder of Finesse Fashion Academy, a digital fashion learning platform. Today we are going to dive deep into a topic that can either make or break a design. Color, the next essential element of fashion design. Last video we learned how lines can impact our designs, and today we are going to learn more about colors. Whether you are new to fashion design or you're refining your skills, understanding color is essential. It's not only about choosing what looks good, but it's about creating a mood, setting a tone, telling stories, and moreover, making your designs unforgettable. So let's explore the 10 essential tips to master colors in fashion design. So let's go ahead. Colors. Color is one of the most powerful elements in fashion design. It can evoke emotion, it can tell stories, it can create a memorable connection with the viewer, it can define a collection, it can set the tone for a brand, and it can influence how a garment is perceived in terms of style, mood, and fit. The first essential tip is understanding the color wheel. This basic tool is the foundation for any color work. Getting familiar with the color wheel is very essential. By understanding primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors, you can start building harmonious combinations that look really incredible. And understanding colors, you can create an incredible collection. The next thing you need to know is the color scheme. What are complementary color schemes? What is analogous color scheme? Triadic, split complementary, neutral, monochromatic color schemes. These terms may sound complex, but mastering these color schemes, you can elevate your collection to the next level. Complementary color schemes will make your outfits pop up, whereas analogous color schemes will give a cohesive and harmonious color look. This is an example of a complementary color scheme: red and green, yellow and purple, and orange and blue. The colors that sit opposite each other on a color wheel. Next, we have is the analogous color scheme, where the colors are sitting next to each other. And then we have the monochromatic color scheme, where it is a shade of a color and the tint of a color. The next thing you need to know is using color psychology. Colors can evoke emotions. Red signifies passion, blue brings calmness, and yellow evokes the energy. So decide what mood you want to set for your collection and choose the colors accordingly. The next is exploring cultural significance. Certain colors have certain meanings in certain cultures. For example, white is considered as a color of purity and integrity and peace in some cultures, whereas in other cultures it is considered as mourning. So, knowing the cultural associations of colors can make your designs meaningful and relevant. Next, you need to do is experiment with fabric texture and color. Color isn't just about the hue. Fabric texture also impacts how the color is perceived. For example, a matte black looks very different from a shiny satin black. Experiment with different textures to add depth and personality to your designs. Play with color value and saturation. Adjusting a color's value, taking it to the lightness and taking it to the darkness. So here you see the image. This is a pale blue and this is a bright blue. So you see the difference how it looks. A pale desaturated blue gives a soft romantic vibe, whereas the highly saturated blue is bold and vibrant. The next you need to understand are the warm colors and the cool colors. Warm colors like red and yellow, they bring energy and excitement in your collection, whereas colors like green and blue, they bring calmness. So you need to know what feeling you want to bring out in your collection and use colors to your advantage. Next you need to master is the use of neutral colors strategically. Neutral colors like black, white, grey and beige are incredibly versatile, and never underestimate the power of neutrals. The next you need to master is to create contrast for visual interest. Adding contrast through colors is a fantastic way of drawing attention to specific elements of a design. Let's take example of this black gown with a red sash. The red sash is the focal point. It creates a visual interest and it brings colors. It's bringing out the color for the outfit without overpowering the elegance of the black gown. The 10th essential tip is to stay true to your brand's color palette. If you're building a fashion brand, create a signature color palette and be consistent with it. Over time, your collection will be definitely recognized. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like my video, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more insights on fashion design. And do share in the comments below what is your favorite color to work with. See you in the next video.